So lately, I've been getting a lot of messages from people asking me how can I receive money from people outside Nigeria. Some persons even have classes, and some other persons outside Nigeria maybe want to register for the class, and they're asking me how can I receive payments from these persons that are not in Nigeria. So for the sake of this tutorial, I recommend Seller. Though there are other platforms, there are other apps you can use to receive money from people outside Nigeria, but I will recommend Seller. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Seller account, how to upload your product on Seller, and how to sell your product, and also withdraw it into your Nigerian bank account. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any interesting video like this, YouTube will notify you. So first thing, head over to your Chrome browser and search this Seller, just like this Seller, and allow it to open like this. So this is my Seller account. I already have a Seller account and I already have products on Seller. Okay, let me log out and show you how to log in. This is log out. Okay, yes. So if you open your Seller, this is how your Seller app, like if you open your Seller for the first time, this is how the interface looks like. So the next thing, you have to create an account on Seller. So I already have an account. What I will do now is I will log in with Google. It's either you create an account or you log in with your email address. So I'll click on login with Google, and then I'll wait for it to load. And yeah, this is it. They will take me to my Seller dashboard, which is this you can see on your screen. So the next thing to do now is to upload a product. Yes, upload a product. So I'll show you how to upload a product, and then I'll show you how to send people the link so that even some persons outside Nigeria can purchase your product. And no matter the currency, Seller will change it to Naira, and then you withdraw it into your local bank account. So you click on this. You click on this here, and then you see whole sales, product, show love, customers, affiliates. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be going with this product. So you click on this drop down here, then you see all products, add products, featured products, subscribers, and all the rest of them. So we click on add products. So it will open like this. So Seller will ask you, do you want to add a digital product, ticket and masterclass, service, subscription, course, and all of that? So I'll be adding a digital product. So I'll click on digital products, click on next, and then this is how it looks like. So for a product, maybe let's say a class, let's say you are selling a course and you already have the flyer. So you upload your flyer here. So let me just use one flyer as an example. So I have the course now. So we'll be using this flyer as an example. So I'll click on it, and I'll click on done. So you wait for it to load, and then boom, that is it. So now the next thing is name of product. So what is the name of your product? What are you offering? Is it a photo editing class? Is it a graphic design class? Anything. So I'll just write this: intensive graphic design training. Yes. So the next thing I'll do here is sell price. That is your price in Naira. So the price of this is 10,000 Naira. I'll put 10,000 Naira, and I'll scroll up like this. You can leave all this 00, you can also leave it blank. And then this place you see, show striked out original price. That is if you are offering a discount. So you can input it here. Click on this check mark, and then click on original price. Like I input 10,000 as the price, maybe as the discount price. Then I will now input this. Maybe I'll write 15,000 as the original price. That is the strike out price. So you scroll up again, scroll up like this. Then this place, you'll be asked to write about your product. Like if someone wants to purchase your product, the person will have to read the description of the product before buying it. So you have to write, this product is this. When you buy it, you get this. This is what you expect, and all the rest of it. You already know what to write. You know what you are selling. I'm just showing you. So after writing it, you scroll up. Then you go to category. Then you select a category. We will select content and media. Under content and media, you'll find graphic design. This is it. But if it's not under content and media, there are still other categories here you can go with. Maybe software and tech, art and crafts, and all the rest of them. So this is it. Then you scroll up. You can just leave all this like this. Just follow my settings. So if you get to this particular place, you have to do something here. So if maybe your class or your course, you are hosting it on Telegram or WhatsApp, then you have to copy the link of that WhatsApp group and paste it here, so that whenever someone purchases your product, it will automatically take the person to your WhatsApp or your Telegram group where the class will be taking place. So this is optional. You can leave it this way or you can add it. So let's say my course is on, or my class rather is on WhatsApp. So I'll go to WhatsApp, copy the link of that WhatsApp group, click on this, automatically redirect buyer to an external URL after a purchase. Then you come here and paste the link of that group. Then after that, you click on create product. Very simple. Create product. Okay, oops, look like you missed something. You didn't upload the product file. Okay, sorry, we missed something. Product file. I think we missed something here. Okay, this is where the issue is from. So go here and disable this, give buyer access to a file, and then click on create product and then wait for it to open. So this is it. Success. Congratulations, your product has been added. So this is my product here on Seller. So whenever you want someone to purchase this particular product, or whenever you want someone to pay for your class or whatever thing you're hosting on Seller, just come here, long press on this, and then click on copy link text. Click on it. So let me send someone this particular link and let me show you exactly how it will appear. So this is the link. I just sent it to someone, so I just assume that I sent it to someone. Then click on this link. Let's do as if you want to purchase this particular product. So click on it like this, and this is it. So the first thing we added here was the flyer, then the description, which was this, and then the price. You can see 10,000 is the discount price, and then 15,000 is the normal price. So if you want to buy this, or if you want someone to get it, you send someone this link, and then when the person opens it, this is how it will open, and then the person can click on buy now. So immediately the person buy your product, your money will reflect into your account. Remember, you opened this seller with your email account. So when someone gets this product, a message will be sent to your email that you made a sale. So you can go ahead and check it. The time your money will reflect into your account, it depends on the currency the person is using. Now, if someone from Ghana purchase your product, of course, you know Ghana uses cedis. So if someone from Ghana purchase your product, it will take at least 4 days for the money to reflect in your account. If you go to your email, you will see a message that you've made a sale, but you will not see the money in your seller account. It will take at least 4 days for that money to reflect into your account. Then you can withdraw it into your Nigerian bank account. Now, if someone from Nigeria purchase your product, it will take at most 12 to 24 hours for your money to reflect in your seller wallet. So that is that for that. You can go ahead and try this out and let me know if it worked for you. I'll see you on the next one. Clients coming back because they know my style. As the studios, we make them